Ielts. Well, there are 4 segments: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Let's talk about today's speaking. Most of the students feel that how to start, and what to say in speaking. Let me give you a very short and simple trick. It's not overall the thing comes that you can improve your speaking within night, but yes, it requires your practice, dedication, devotion, and determination towards it. The easy way, what I feel that you can improve your speaking, use WH family: what, where, when, why, which, who, whom, how much, and how many. Use WH family whenever any question you get encountered with. For example, talk about the time when you got very much angry. So, when did you get angry? Why did you get angry? What was the reason, and how did you handle it? So it comes with WH family. So what are the 4 followed questions underneath and under to your cue card that try to use them with a nice manner? Step by step, answer them first. Like for a particular question, say 2 lines, then add linker. For the next question, say 2 lines, then add linker. Then for third question, add 2 lines and add linker. And try to hook up not such a big story. Make short, nice, and sweet. Add vocabulary. Make your small and short sentences, but try to make nice and creative one. And that can come when you do practice. And how can you practice of speaking more and more to achieve bands? Use your cell phone, record your voice, make your video. That's the good part. Read books and generate ideas. Whenever you get free time, just think about it. What I can say if I were in this situation, if I was in this situation, what I can say, what I can do, what I need to do. So use your ideas as much as you can and try to explain your imaginary thoughts in your imagination. Thank you.